How to recover Roblox account without email. To recover your Roblox account even without an email address, you simply have to use your phone number to reset your password or contact Roblox Support directly. So if you are going to use your registered phone number, you simply have to download the application first of all or launch any web browser of your choice, then head to the official website of Roblox. Now, what you can also do is simply launch your web browser, then head to the Roblox Support. From here, you will find the Contact Us option. Try to log in, and if you are still facing issues regarding your login, you simply have to select the Forget Password or Username option, and from there, click the Phone tab instead of email and choose your country code from the drop-down list. Type your number and press Submit. Copy the 6-digit code via SMS and simply click Verify, create and confirm your new passport. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.